Okay, so you have to stop wasting money on boring mockups. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to turn this into this using a tool called Kling AI. No Photoshop, no models, just pure AI magic. Flat mockups are dead. What if print-on-demand designs can work, move, turn, and model your products like a real fashion show? Stick with me because today I'll show you step by step on how to create realistic moving AI models that does not only look incredible, but then actually help your store make more sales. Static mockups are everywhere, and these blinds customers who want to purchase your products on your print-on-demand store. But then when your products are being worn by AI hyper-realistic models and posted on social media, I believe you're going to make a lot of money with your print-on-demand business. It instantly feels more real, more professional, and a way more trustworthy. And with the help of these moving realistic AI models, there are more clicks, more engagement, and more sales on your Etsy, Shopify, or TikTok shop. Let's dive into the tutorial and let me take you through the steps on how you can do this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you do your best and then subscribe.
This right here is Krea AI, and that is a website for creating images, hyper-realistic images. So I'll leave this prompt and the website in the description. I created a bunch of models here wearing t-shirts. And so I'm going to go with one of these models. I'm going to upscale this one, and I'm going to go with this model. I'm going to download it and head on to Kling AI and select image. Right from here, I am going to then select AI virtual try-on generator. From here, I'm going to select AI virtual try-on, and here I am then going to import an image of my model. You can see there are a bunch of default models and a lot of people are using them. That is why we generated our own with Krea. So we simply need to select on upload and then upload our model. So I'm going to upload the model right here, and the model is being uploaded. The next thing we need to do is to upload our garment. So we have multiple garment or a single garment. I'm going to go with single garment. So I'm going to click this one and then upload the garment we selected. So this could be a mock-up from your print-on-demand store. The next thing to actually do is to click on generate. You can set the output to 2 and then click on generate. This AI tool is going to put the t-shirt on the model. All right, so it does it really well, and you can see the t-shirt is being worn by the model. So what we need to do here is to convert this picture into a video by clicking on the picture, and you're going to see an option on the right that says generate video. All right, so you can head there and then click on generate video. Once you click on generate video, it's going to generate a video from the picture. Now, this is the frame section, and we are on the image to video section, so you can add start or end image. You can set your duration to 5 or 10 seconds, and here is the general prompt. This is optional, but I prefer going to ChatGPT and copy a prompt that I generated, and I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. I'm going to leave links in the description to each and every prompt, and then click on generate. I'm also going to leave links to each and every AI tool that I use, and after waiting for a while, we're going to get our model to showcase the clothes. And you can see that this is our model showcasing the clothes from image to video. All right, so I'm going to show you the actual video in a while, and that is how you can make your mockups come to life, work, turn around and showcase your clothing for your print-on-demand business, especially with Printify, Etsy, and most of the print-on-demand websites out there. You can simply click on download to download it, and that is the final results.